talked about everything under the sun, and I'm not sure at what point you figured this out on your own. So go reinvent yourself into a whole other person. But I know you better than anyone you'll ever know. Oh, you said that you needed space. Go on, then, astronaut. And when you come back down to earth, babe, I'll be the one you call. When you realize there's nothing out there but Murder and Tina's, and you let a good thing go. You could get one of those super white suits and bounce around how like my gravity isn't holding you. And the coolest part of it is how you tell me that you love me still. Like I'm supposed to wait here while you're figuring out just how you feel. Oh yeah, you said that you needed space. Go on, then, astronaut. And when you come back down to earth, babe, I'll be the one you call. When you realize there's nothing out there but Murder and emptiness, and you let a good thing go. I hope you find all you need, yeah. It hurts to know that's not me, 'cause you said that you needed space. Go on, then, astronaut. And when you come back down to earth, babe, I'll be the one you call. When you realize there's nothing out there but murder and emptiness, and you let a good thing go.
This dance is called Astronaut, choreographed by Simon Ward and Roxanne Moates. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, quarter turn right, rock to the right facing 3, recover, quarter turn left facing 12, half turn left, right foot back, quarter turn left, left foot side, sweep your right, cross weave, cross side behind, left foot, side rock, recover, 3/8 to your right facing 730, left foot forward, a half turn left, follow your right foot back, quarter turn left, left foot side, quarter turn left, right foot forward. Now you're facing 730. Section 2, step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, left foot back, 3/8 right, right foot forward, sweep your left facing 12, cross weave, cross side behind, step right foot side and sway body right, recover, sway to your left, recover, sway to your right and drag your left, rolling turn to your left, quarter turn left forward, half turn left back, 3/8 turn side, hit your right facing 1030. Section 3, right foot, rock forward, recover, half turn right, stepping forward, facing 430. Step left foot forward, make a spiral full turn right foot forward, pivot half turn to your right, facing 1030. quarter turn left to 7:30, step left foot slightly forward, right foot forward, pivot half turn left, sweep your right facing 130. Last section, right foot twinkle, cross side recover, diamond half turn to your left, cross, 1/8 left side, 1/8 left back, facing 10:30, right foot back, 1/8 left side, 1/8 left forward, now you're facing 7:30, cross, 1/8 left side, left foot back, facing 6 o'clock, right foot, large step, back, hook your left, left foot forward, right foot forward, step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, keep the weight on your left foot facing 12, right foot forward, half turn right, step left foot back. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 2. You will dance 28 and count with step change, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with count, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is the end of 28 counts. Now change your step. Step left foot slightly back and. Now you're facing 12, restart the dance. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.